today we're going to be doing a water experiment, and it's called absorb or repel. So we're going to see what items or what objects absorb water or soak up all the water, or repel it, which means that the water kind of acts like an umbrella. Like the object acts like an umbrella where if you put water on it, it'll just go over. It doesn't go inside the object. So I'm going to show you all my chart and the items that I have. As you can see here, I have my absorb or repel chart. And I have my items on this side. So I have a rock, I have a cotton ball, a piece of paper, a leaf, a car, plastic spoon, aluminum foil, a napkin, and a sponge. So now that you guys have seen my objects, we are going to start with the rock. Do you think the rock is going to absorb? Is it water going to go inside? Or is it going to repel? Is it just going to go over and fall off? What do you think? A rock. Let's see. And I have my bowl of water right here that we're going to use. And I'm just going to dip it in. And look at that. Do you see that water droplet right there? That means that it repels. My rock repels it. Like all the waters are falling off. You guys see that? The water's falling off. It doesn't stay, it doesn't soak it up. This item does not soak it up. So I'm gonna put an X on repel. So I know next time that the rock repels it. Next is the cotton ball. Do you think the cotton ball is going to absorb the water, soak it in, or is it going to repel? Not going to soak it in. It's just going to fall off, kind of like the rock just did. What do you think? Let's see. So I'm going to put my cotton ball in the water, and look, leaking. No, it's not. And then look, we know things absorb when you can squeeze the water out. So we just squeezed all the water out. That means that it absorbed the water, and when we squeeze it, it lets go of the water. Okay, so I'm going to put in my chart out that it absorbs. Next, we are going to try the paper. This is paper. I got an index paper. Look, I already wet it. Do you think it's going to absorb? Is it going to go inside the paper, or is it going to just fall off like the rock did? Or is it going to repel? Let's see. Ooh, look at that. So, what do you think? What do you think it did? It absorbed the water a little bit. It wasn't as much as the cotton ball. And we can see it by, look, see how the paint kind of got off? So this absorbs water. I checked it off. Next, we are going to do the leaf. Do you think the leaf is going to absorb or repel? It's a little bit tricky. Let's see. So I'm going to put it on. Look what's happening. Look. Yeah, it's repelling. The leaf itself repels. But the stem, if you would leave the stem in there, it would absorb the water. That's how plants get food. But since we are just talking about the leaf and not the stem, we're going to say it repels. Okay, next up is the car. Do you think the car is going to repel the water or absorb it, soak it in? Let's see. What's the water doing? Is it staying on? Is it soaking up? No, it's repelling. Okay, my friends, I'm going to do one more and then we'll be all done. We're going to do the sponge. Do you think the sponge is going to repel or soak up? Let's see. Let's try squeezing it. Whoa, look at that. So it absorbs the water. So the sponge absorbs the water. Okay, my friends, well, that is it for today. And I hope you try that with any of the objects that you have at your home. Make sure to ask your parents first. And that's it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed it.